Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a hot topic, DeepSeek versus ChatGPT. Specifically, we're comparing DeepSeek's open source LLM with OpenAI's premium o1 model. Is DeepSeek really better than ChatGPT 01? Let's run some tests and find out. Make sure you stick around for the whole video. And if you're new here, I'm on a mission to help you navigate the world of artificial intelligence. So, first things first, let's get clear on DeepSeek. This is an open source LLM that's starting to generate a lot of buzz. Many have compared it to models like ChatGPT, Claude, and Llama. You can actually start using it for free right now. I'll drop the link below if you want to try it out. Now, DeepSeek's R1 model claims performance on par with OpenAI's o1, which is only available to ChatGPT Plus and Pro users. The key difference here? DeepSeek's R1 is completely free. OpenAI charges $20 a month for Plus and $200 a month for Pro to access the o1 model. So, is DeepSeek really able to compete at this level? Let's find out by running some tests. In the first test, I asked both DeepSeek and ChatGPT's 01 model a simple reasoning question. How many R's are in the word refrigerator? DeepSeek took a bit longer to process, but it gave a more detailed breakdown of its reasoning, whereas 01 answered quickly, but with less explanation. Next, I tested math reasoning by asking which number is bigger, 5.1 or 5.5. Both models got it right, but once again, DeepSeek provided a more detailed explanation of its thinking process, whereas 01 was quicker but more concise. Then I threw a more complex question at both models. Based on a transcript of my YouTube video, what 5 clips should I create to go viral, including timestamps and catchy titles? ChatGPT's 01 model responded pretty quickly, giving me timestamps, a catchy title, and even a suggested hook. DeepSeek responded in a similar time frame and gave detailed suggestions for potential viral clips. Both models did well, but DeepSeek offered more reasoning in its responses. I also asked both models for business ideas related to AI agents that could generate over $1 million in annual recurring revenue, ARR. ChatGPT's 01 model gave me some solid, detailed ideas. DeepSeek's suggestions were similar, but included some interesting variations in industries like healthcare. One interesting aspect to note is that DeepSeek, being based in China, showed different responses when it came to censorship. For example, when I asked about Taiwan's independence, ChatGPT's 01 model provided a nuanced answer with historical context. DeepSeek, however, was more reserved, and after a few seconds, it said it couldn't handle the question. On the other hand, when I asked about something more controversial, how to rob a bank, DeepSeek gave a detailed answer, while ChatGPT's 01 model instantly shut it down with a firm, "I can't assist with that." DeepSeek seems to be a little less censored, which might be important depending on the kind of content you're working with. So, after these tests, what's my verdict? In terms of reasoning and explanation, DeepSeek and ChatGPT 01 are pretty neck and neck. But with DeepSeek being free, it's a compelling option for those who need a powerful LLM without paying the premium prices of OpenAI 01. However, OpenAI 01 still has a quicker response time in some cases and provides a bit more polished output. I want to hear your thoughts. Have you used DeepSeek? Do you think it's better than OpenAI's 01? Drop your comments below and let's discuss it. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more AI comparisons and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.